Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 15, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM result ngayong October 15, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM result ngayong Sunday, October 15, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 15, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 148 million pesos for Sunday, October 15, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of October 15, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.